Haze hardening heat treatment behavior of the edge cast MgZn alloys. The abstract of the research work. In present work, the haze hardening behavior of the edge cast MgZn alloys, that is ZA85, has been investigated. Through the differential thermal analysis studies, it has been found that the dissolution temperature of the ternary eutectic precipitates is present in the alloy. Based on the DTA results, the edge cast samples have been solutionized at a temperature of 360 degrees centigrade for the different interval of times. Solutionizing time has been optimized from the enthalpy values of undissolved precipitates. The solution treated samples have been then aged at a temperature of 180 degrees centigrade for different time interval. From the peak hardness values, the aging conditions have been optimized. Introduction. The Mg alloy is a promising material for the fabrication of automotive, aerospace and electronics components. So far, most Mg alloys have been used in automotive components like the steering wheels, disc wheels, gearbox, chain locker instrument panels and seat frames and crankcase where the operating temperature is low. Due to its light weight, could help the car manufacturers to reduce the amount of emissions generated per automobiles and to meet the present and future regulations looking for the environment friendly vehicles. For instance, its usage for automotive parts requiring low mass and low specific weight has been found to reduce the fuel consumptions by 20 to 25. However, the low strength of Mg alloys compared to aluminum and steel have limited its use in many areas. In order to improve the hardness of magnesium alloys, solid solution, grain size and dislocation density strengthening, which either depends on the compositions and thermal treatment processes, had been widely studied, but precipitation strengthening mechanism has the highest strengthening effect. So here the present work investigated the edge hardening behavior of the edge cast MgZn alloys using DTA studies and other conventional methods. The materials and experimental method used for the current research work. Alloy preparations. The figure shows the image of one of the Mg alloy casting samples. Here in experiments, the permanent cast and mold casting method was used. The second method, that is thermal analysis. The DTA measurement were carried out on as cast samples of Mg ZA85 to find out the dissolution temperature of eutectic ternary phase using differential thermal analyzer under the argon atmosphere with a heating rate of 10 degrees centigrade per minute. From the DTA results, the solutionizing temperature was identified as 360 degrees centigrade. The next method is external heat treatment. The cylindrical samples were machined out from the casting of ZA85. These samples were heat treated in a furnace under the CO2 atmosphere for the different schedule as listed below. Hardness testing. Hardness machine was used for the measurement of Brinell hardness number of as cast and heat treated samples. For hardness measurement, one side of the specimen was polished with emery paper in order to remove the oxides and other scales. Next method is microstructures. The ACM was used to analyze the microstructure analysis of magnesium, zinc and aluminum ternary intermetallics. And the last method used was X-ray diffraction, that is XRD. So XRD was applied to analyze the phases present in the heat treatment samples using X-ray refractometers. Result and discussions. The first result and discussion includes microstructural analysis. The optical micrographs of the permanent mold as cast JD85 alloy is presented in figure 2A. From this figure, it is observed that the microstructure of Mg alloy JD85 contains alpha Mg matrix post ternary intermetallic phases and gamma stable phase at the grain boundaries. However, the EDAX result as shown in the figure 2b confirms the presence of post intermetallic phase of Mg Zn Al having the ratio of 66, 16 and 17. It is further noticed that this ternary intermetallic phase ratio varies with different locations in the microstructure of MgZn aluminum type. Effect of solution treatment. The DTA thermograph of ZA85 alloy is presented in figure 3. It has been observed that from the figure, the endothermic peak at 361.08 degrees Celsius for the as-cast samples corresponding to the ternary eutectic dissolution temperature. It is difficult to identify the other peaks of many possible MgZn alloy phases present in the alloy, mainly because oxidation of this alloy starts above 450 degrees centigrades. Figure 4 shows the XRD analysis of the as-cast and ST samples at 360 degrees centigrades for different interval of times. It is observed from the figure 4 that the complete dissolution of Mg4Zn11 Al has taken place after 24 hours of holding. This figure shows the optical micrographs of ZA85 alloy with respect to different solutionizing time. It is noticed from this figure that there is a significant change in the microstructure with increasing solutionizing time. Even though the microstructure of Z2 condition reveals the complete dissolution of gamma phase to super saturated solid solutions, however, the presence of Mg matrix with some eutectic ternary phase can be seen. The microstructure of Z3 and Z5 condition alloy presented in figure 5 B and C that shows the presence of considerable volume of fraction of precipitates which are distributed along the grain boundaries even after increasing the solutionizing temperature. The DTA studies carried out on the as-cast and ST samples at 360 degrees centigrade for varying time intervals, that is 24, 48, 72 and 96 hours are present in figure number 6. The peak temperature for eutectic dissolutions and enthalpy calculated from the DTA thermographs for all the samples are presented in the table number 3. It is observed from the DTA results that the enthalpy decreases with increasing the solutionized time due to dissolution of the precipitates into the matrix. The Brinell hardness Values of the solution treated samples also show similar trend as presented in the figure number 7. It is evident from the hardness result that the minimum time required for dissolution of maximum ternary eutectic phase in the solution treated condition is 48 hours at a temperature of 360 degrees centigrade. Then effect of aging. The hardness values as a function of aging time at 180 degrees centigrade are presented in the figure number 8. It is observed from this figure that the hardness increases with increasing the aging time and maximum hardness is found at 17 hours of aging time. Beyond that, it decreases. So here figure 9 shows the presence of fine eutectic ternary phases distributed uniformly along the grain boundaries, which act as a effective straddle to dislocation motion, thereby improving the properties of ZA85 alloy. Conclusion. In this research work, experimentations was conducted to investigate age hardening heat treatment behavior of the edge-cast Mg alloy ZA85. So following conclusions are drawn. A. The liquidus temperature of Mg alloy ZA85 is 597.17 degrees centigrade, whereas the dissolution temperature of ternary eutectic precipitate is 360 degrees centigrade. B. To achieve the maximum strength properties in Mg alloy ZA85, the following heat treatment process needs to be followed. The solution treatment 360 degrees centigrade plus minus 5 degrees centigrade for 48 hours, water quenching at 32 degrees centigrade and aging at 180 degree plus minus 2 degrees centigrade for 17 hours. The hardness values increases with increasing the aging time and maximum hardness is attained at 17 hours of aging. Beyond that, its value decreases. This maximum hardness attained is associated with the optimum temperature and time.